Hmm. So the story name is God Lives in the Paunch. Huh? It is written by Munshi Premchand. Huh? Juman Sheikh. Huh? Or Jaman Sheikh, whatever you tell. Juman. Juman Sheikh and Alagu Chaudhuri. So Juman Sheikh and Alagu Chaudhuri were fast friends. Huh? Okay, fast friends. Huh? Means they were friends. Huh? Besides telling their fields in common, okay, in which fields they are working. Huh? Besides telling their fields in common, that means से जो फील्ड रे काम करुची ये भी से फील्ड रे हैला दे कैरिड ऑन ए जॉइंट मनी लेंडिंग बिजनेस हैला सामाने तांकर फील्ड कोन ना मनी लेंडिंग तापरे दी जण जाकर जॉइंट मनी लेंडिंग बिजनेस अछि माने दी जण जाकर गोटे पैसा बुझेला कि हैं जे नौची तांकर दी जण मालिक सेमती नौचन हैला so strong indeed was their mutual faith in each other that when either of them was absent, the other looked after his household. ତେଣୁ ଯଦି ଜଣେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ପଳେଇଲା ବାହାରକୁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ଆର ଜଣକ ତା ଘର କଥା ବୁଝିବ he looked after the household. This happened when Juman went on the Hajj and Alagu had to go abroad on business. ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ଜୁମାନ ଗଲାବେଳେ ଇଏ ବୁଝିଛି ସିଏ ଗଲାବେଳେ ଇଏ ବୁଝିଛି ତା ଘର କଥା ହେଲା What was the secret of this mutual trust and confidence? ଏତେ ଯୋଉ confidence ଅଛି what was the secret of that? Okay, social or religious affinity? Question ପଚାରୁଛି affinity ମାନେ ଏତେ closeness, right? No, but a common outlook and a community of ideas. ମାନେ ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଲଗା ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ହେଲା ସୋସିଆଲ ବି ଏକା ନୁହଁ no but a common outlook and a community of ideas so they have a common outlook ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକର ଆଉଟଲୁକ୍ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ହେଲା ମାନେ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ମାନେ କେମିତି ବାହାରକୁ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତି ରାଇଟ୍ and community of ideas so they have many common ideas and what better foundation could there be for a lasting friendship okay so and what better foundation could there be for a lasting friendship so se foundation ta kon what that foundation could there be so he is asking the friendship was not the outcome of any sudden impulse दिने के friendship है जाइनी it dated from the days of their childhood when Alagu sat for his lessons at the feet of Juman's father. Alagu was sitting for his lessons at the feet of Juman's father. His father was a teacher, I think, who had his own notions of how to bring up a lad. Okay, don't spare the rod or you will spoil him. Okay, so is what he used to say. Don't spare the rod. Jadi तुम बाड़ेबो then you will spoil him. He practiced this precept, this law, precept ହେଲା, in the case of his own son Juman, with the result that there is none in the village to equal him, either in drafting a petition, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟର ହେଲା, or drawing up a deed, କିମ୍ବା ଗୋଟେ ଓକେ drawing up a deed, legal deed ଏଠି ହେଲା, ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା କରିବାରେ ସେମାନେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ. Juman was best. In course of time, Juman was highly esteemed in the village. Highly esteemed, ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲୋକ ପାଉଥିଲେ. And the neighborhood ବି ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ for his scholarship and attainments. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଭଲ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉ ପାଇଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରାଇଜ ସେଥିପାଇଁ Olagu's father held different views. Olagu father ଅଲଗା view ତାଙ୍କର. He believed that your teacher's blessings would transfer you into a fine scholar. ସେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ blessings. Okay. And there could be no surer way to his good grace. Okay. So, than to keep his hookah fresh and feed his chillum regularly. So ଏଗୁଡ଼ା କଲେ teachers will bless you. Okay, ସେତେବେଳେ teachers ମାନେ ହୁକା ପିଉଥିଲେ, okay, chillum ପିଉଥିଲେ. So poor Olagu was never found wanting in this service. So ତାର ଏଥିରେ କମି କିଛି ନଥିଲା. And if in the end he failed to acquire much learning, okay, so जदि भी से भल पढ़ु नथिला, the fault was not his but that of the stars. से भावुला my fault in is my stars, ହେଲା, ମୋ ଭାଗ୍ୟ ଖରାପ ହେଲା. So argued his old father. So ତା ଫାଦର କହୁଥିଲେ ତା ଭାଗ୍ୟ କଥା, ସେ ଭଲ କଲାନି, ଟିଚରର କ'ଣ ଦୋଷ ହେଲା. That doesn't mean that Olagu was without influence in the village. On the other hand, if Jaman was esteemed for his learning, Olagu was respected for his wealth. So Olagu ଗୋଟେ ଧନୀ ଘର ଥିଲା ତାର. Olagu was respected for his wealth ହେଲା. So जो wealth तार ହେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ତାକୁ ଲୋକ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ. Now Juman had an old relation. ତାର ଗୋଟେ old relation ଥିଲା, ଜଣେ ବୁଢା ଲୋକ, ବୁଢୀ maternal aunt ହେଲା. old relation ମାନେ distance relation ହେଲା. ସେ କିଏ ନା maternal aunt ହେଲା, ତା ମାର କ'ଣ ଫୁଡି ହବ ହେଲା, who had some property. This she transferred to him. ସେ aunt ତାକୁ ଜୁମାନକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲା by a deed on the understanding that. So what is that deed? By a deed on the understanding that she would be well looked after. She will be looked after. ये ताକୁ ଦେଖାଶୁଣା କରିବ ଅଲାଗୁ ହେଲା. So long as the deed remained unregistered ହେଲା, none was so obliging, okay, obliging to the old lady, sorry, obliging, so long as the deed remained unregistered. ତେଣୁ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଡିଡ୍ଟା ହେଲା ଏଟା ଅନରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ଥିଲା, ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ହେଇନଥିଲା. ନନ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ସୋ ଓବ୍ଲାଇଜିଂ ହେଲା, କେହି ଓବ୍ଲାଇଜ କରୁନଥିଲେ, ବାଧ୍ୟ ହଉନଥିଲେ. ସୋ ଓବ୍ଲାଇଜିଂ ଟୁ ଦି ଓଲ୍ଡ ଲେଡି ଆଜ୍ ହର ନେଫ୍ୟୁ, ଓକେ, ନନ୍ ସୋ ଆଜ୍ ହର ନେଫ୍ୟୁ. ओके so long as the deed remain unregistered সেটা তো unregistered ଥିଲା so none was so obliging to the old lady को କେହି ମାନେ ଏତେ ତା କାମ କରିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ so none was so obliging to the old lady as her nephew okay none so considered to her ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ so none so considerate ତେଣୁ ତା ଉପରେ କେହି considerate ନଥିଲେ ତା କଥା କେହି ବୁଝୁନଥିଲେ ହେଲା only that nephew her every wish was anticipated and cheerfully carried out so it was anticipated ସେ ଜାଣି ଦଉଥିଲା ଅଲଗାକୁ ହେଲା ଯେ କଣ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଛି ବୁଢ଼ୀ ତ ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ତା ପାଇଁ ଆଣିକି ଦଉଥିଲା carried out ତାମାନେ ସେଟା ସେ କରୁଥିଲା but everything changed the moment the deed was registered ମାନେ registered ହେଇଗଲା जुमान ହେଲା who used to wait dotingly on his old aunt now became supremely indifferent ହେଲା ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ indifferent ଦେଖେଇଲା ହେଲା ଆଗରୁ ଦେଖଉନଥିଲା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇନଥିଲା ତା ନାଁରେ ତେଣୁ ଏତେ ପୁରା ତା କଥା ସବୁ ମାନୁଥିଲା ଏବେ ବୁଝିଲା जुमान who used to wait dotingly dotingly कौन लिखिଛ
dotingly definitely
okay now became a supremely indifferent ହେଲା ଏବେ ପୁରା ଅଲଗା his wife Kariman went even further ହେଲା ସେ ଆହୁରି ବେଶୀ କାମ କଲା କଣ ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଖରାପ ତା ଆଡକୁ ହେଲା କାହା ବୁଢୀ ଉପରେ she grossed even the little food ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଲାନି that the old lady ate ଯାହା ଖାଉଥିଲା ଦେଲାନି no meal was now served to her without Kariman letting loose a barb okay so without Kariman letting loose a barb ସେ ଗୋଟେ କଥାଟେ ନ କହିଲେ ହବନି ହେଲା or two ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଡ଼େ କଥା କହିବ dipped in gall or poison gall or poison ସେ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିବ ତାପରେ ତାକୁ ଦବ the very bread that the aunt ate seemed to be seasoned ହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଖାଉଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ରୁଟି ଖାଉଥିଲା seemed to be seasoned with meat of abuse okay so ସେଇଟାକୁ କଣ କରାହଉଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା meat of abuse ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଆ ଜିନିଷ ସେଇଥିରୁ କରାହଉଥିଲା ହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରିଲ and this went on mounting ବଢି ଚାଲିଲା Kariman would say Kariman କଣ କହିଲା now how long is the old hag going to live so old woman hag woman going to live by giving us a few acres of wasteland she thinks she has bought us ସେ ଆମକୁ କିଣିଛି she is a great lady who can't swallow a morsel without her dal being seasoned with ghee okay so she is a great lady who can't swallow a morsel what do you mean by morsel without her dal being seasoned with ghee okay so morsel से खाइबो ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଡାଲ ଭିତରେ ଘି ପଡ଼ିଲେ ସେ ଖାଇବ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି। ସି ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଲେଡି ହୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସ୍ୱାଲୋ, ତା ରୁଚୁନି, ତାକୁ ସ୍ୱାଲୋ ମାନେ ତାକୁ ରୁଚୁନି ହେଲା। We could have purchased a whole village with the money spent on our feeding। ଘିଅ ଖାଇବ କହୁଛି ହେଲା, ତାକୁ ଆମେ ପୁରା ହୋଲ୍ ଭିଲେଜ କିଣି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁନି ଏମିତି କହୁଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଲୁଣି ହେଲା। Patience has its limit। One day unable to bear this constant nagging, ये जो गाली and insult from his wife, the aunt spoke to Juman। जुमान को कहीदेला। जुमान flatly refused to interfere in household affairs। जुमान भी बर्तमान चेंज ହେଇଗଲାଣି, ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ତା କଥା ବୁଝୁଥିଲା ହେଲା। He told her in effect that his wife knew best how to run the house। He told her in effect ମାନେ ଲାଷ୍ଟଲି ଏତିକି ସେ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲା ହେଲା। crest fallen the old lady, crest fallen, okay, maybe crest fallen means fully fallen ମାନେ ତାର ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ସରିଗଲା। The old lady tried to bear as well as she could her daily humiliation। so ଯେମିତି ସେ କରିବା କଥା ସେ the lady tried to bear as well as she could her daily humiliation। ସେ ଯେମିତି ସହୁଥିଲା ସେମିତି ସହିବାକୁ ସେ ରେଡି ହେଲା। but at length ଶେଷରେ finally ହେଲା even her patience gave way ତା patience ଚାଲିଗଲା ହେଲା। she called Juman and said to him, ତା କହିଲା, my son, it is clear there is no room for me in your house ହେଲା। you had better give me a small allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen। ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କିଚେନ କରିବି, କିଛି ପଇସା ଦେ, small allowance, I will do a kitchen and I will do my cooking, okay। does money grow on trees, replied Juman tartly। ସେ କହିଲା, ରାଗି କହିଲା, ଗଛରେ ଫଳୁଛି କି? of course not, but how am I to live, ମୁଁ କେମିତି ବଞ୍ଚିବି, pleaded the aunt। ସେ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କଲା। who said that you had conquered death, ଏବେ ବଞ୍ଚିବୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ, ତ ମରିବୁ ଦିନେ, taunted Juman gravely। ସେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କଲା ହେଲା, gravely ରାଗିକିରି seriously ହେଲା, ସେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କଲା ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ। this exasperated the aunt ହେଲା, ତାକୁ ଆହୁରି ରଗେଇଲା, exasperated the aunt ହେଲା। she threatened to take her case ହେଲା before the पंचायत, କହିଲା ମୁଁ पंचायत ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ଯିବି, take her case। nothing could please Juman better। he knew that the panchayat could give one decision and the only one, and one only, ଗୋଟେ decision ଦବ କଣ। was there anyone in the village whom he had not obliged, okay, was there anyone in the village whom he had not obliged, ମାନେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଠିକ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖିଛି, କିଏ, Juman। was there one who dared to incur his displeasure, କିଏ ଅଛି କି dared to incur his displeasure, ଯିଏ କହିବ ଯେ ମତେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲି displeasure ବୋଲି ହେଲା। ମୁଁ ତାକୁ surely the members of the panchayat would be his friends and not angels from heaven। सो किए बाहर आसी नथिबो, दे आर नॉट द एंजल्स फ्रॉम हेवन, से आम ए एरिया लोक है। सो व्हेन द ओल्ड लेडी थ्रेटेन्ड टू टेक हर केस टू द पंचायत, जुम्मन लाफ्ड विदिन हिमसेल्फ, मने मने हसिला, आज ए हंटर लाफ्स, जेमती गोटे हंटर लाफ करे, ओके शिकारी, हाँ, व्हेन ही सीज द हिज क्वारी वाक, जेतबेले से देखे तार शिकार प्रे वाक ऑनवार्ड, हाँ, ऑन वारिली, हाँ, बुझिपार लगी। तो ऑन वारिली माने फुलिशली इनटू द वेरी ट्रैप, जो जाल बिछे से क्लच, हाँ, या सेट फॉर इट, तेणु से जो सेठी जो आसे से हंटर्स को जमी खुशी लगे जमी से लाफ करे, से लाफ कला ये जुमान, फॉर डेज, कारण से कहला मो लोक सब अच्छा पंचायत। जस्ट डेज आफ्टर द इंसिडेंट द ओल्ड वोमैन कुड बी सीन, sorry, for days after the incident the old woman could be seen leaning on her poor staff, बाड़ी धरी धरी चले, स्टाफ माने बाड़ी है, गोइंग अबाउट द विलेजर टू विलेजर, सो फॉर डेज आफ्टर द इंसिडेंट, ये इंसिडेंट परे, द ओल्ड मैन कुड बी सीन, ओल्ड मैन को लोक देखती कौटी ना लिनिंग ऑन हर पुअर स्टाफ, बाड़ी धरी धरी लोक देखता कुड बी सीन गोइंग अबाउट फ्रॉम विलेजर टू विलेजर, या घर ता घर से जाए तो एनलिस्ट देयर सिंपाथी, तेणु जेमती तांको सिंपाथी से पाइबो, किए ताको दबो, विथ हर बॉडी डबल्ड अप विथ एज, माने मोटा हो जाइछि, वीक एंड इनफॉर्म, with her body doubled up with age, okay, so with her body doubled up with age, तेणु बॉडी तार टिके मोटा हो जाए, विथ एज, एज जो वीक एंड इनफॉर्म, वीक भी हो जाए, इनफॉर्म मैंने भी सही वीक, ड्रैगिंग हर अनविलिंग फीट, है धीरे धीरे से ड्रैगिंग माने घोसारी घोसारी जाऊँची, पाद चलुनी जाऊँची है, सी परसिस्टेड इन, है परसिस्टेड इन हर मिशन, से कंटिन्यू, persisted in her mission, continued in her mission, ता काम में, there has no one into whose ear she did not pour his pitiable tale, ये जो हॉरिबल टेल, ये जो ये से जो तार जो स्टोरी से समस्त को कहला, there was no one into whose ear she did not pour, समस्त को पाखरे से कहला, बट नॉट मेनी वेयर मूव्ड, है तार कौन है जे मोर कौन जाऊँगी, समस्ते एमती, मोस्ट ऑफ देम कोड ऑफर हर ओनली ए वर्बल सिंपैथी, ताको खाली कथारे सिंपैथी दियंती, व्हिच दे नेवर मीट, ओके, व्हिच दे नेवर मीट, अदर्स कॉस्ट ताको गाली भी दियंती, the hard times, which others caused the hard times, others गाली देन ताकू दियंती the hard time, which had brought her to such a pass, so ये जो चलची तार दिन, सो तार गाली दियंती कहा को ना तार ये जो डेज को, है, some even advised her to make it up with her nephew, ओके, ये भी कहती जे तुम्हें जाई तुम मेक इट अप कर, टिके ता संगे बुझामणा कर, कंप्रोमाइज कर, सब इन एडवाइस हर, व्हाट मोर डिड शी नीड, व्हाट मोर डिड शी नीड, तार कौन दरकार, शी देयर सेड, तुमर कौन दरकार, देन ए फ्यू मोरसेल्स, है फूड, and to pass her days in prayer. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ଜପିକିରି ତମେ ହେଲା दिन काट. Nor did the village lack men to whom the sight of the aged woman with her white hair and toothless mouth and body bent as a bow was a source of constant fun. ହେଲା. Nor did the village lack men. So village रे भी लोक अछंती एमिति to whom the sight of the aged woman with her white hair and toothless mouth, ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ sight ଗୋଟେ aged woman ର and body bent as a bow, body पूरा bent ହେଇଗଲାଣି, ନଇଁ ନଇଁ ଚାଲୁଛି, was a source of constant fun. ତ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖୁସି ଲାଗେ, ମଜା ଲାଗେ, ଫନ୍ କରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ. The number of those who felt genuine pity, ये कि ठीक, okay, actual pity, they have felt for him, for her, was small indeed. ହେଲା, indeed माने वास्तविक, बहुत कम लोग who has got real pity. At last, after she had been to everybody else, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ପଳେଇଲା, the aunt came to ଅଲାଗୁ. Okay, so ଅଲାଗୁ ପାଖକୁ ବି ଆସିଲା. Okay, panting from the exertion ମାନେ tired, panting, ହଇଁ ସଇଁ ହଉଛି, exertion of the journey, she rested a little, ଟିକେ ବସିଲା, and then explained the object of her mission. ହେଲା, ଏଠୁ ତାକୁ ସେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି କହିଲା. I have come to you, my son, she said, to ask you to attend the panchayat when the matter comes up. ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ ଆସି ଟିକେ ବସିବ. But is there any need for me to do this? Replied ଅଲାଗୁ. ଅଲାଗୁ କହିଲା, କ'ଣ ମୋର କାମ ସେଠି? Surely there will be many who will attend it. ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଯିବେ. ସେ କହିଲା, yes, I have been to every one of them. Rejoined the John. କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇଛି. It is for them to do so or not. It is for them to do so or not. ହେଲା, so they will attend it. Since you insist, I will come. ସେଠୁ କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ଯିବି. But you will have to excuse me if I don't take any part in the proceedings. ସେ କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଖାଲି ବସିବି. You will have to excuse me. ହେଲା, ମୁଁ ଯଦି କିଛି ନ କହିବି ତାହେଲେ ମତେ ତୁ କିଛି କହିବୁନି, ମୁଁ ଯାଇ ବସିବି. Why so, my son? କହିଲେ, ତୁ କାହିଁକି କିଛି କହିବୁନି? Because as you know, Juman is my old friend. I can ill afford to go against him. ସେ କହୁଛି, ମୁଁ ଯଦି I can ill afford, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ତା ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ କହିବି ମୋର ବହୁତ କ୍ଷତି ହେବ. I will ill afford to go against him. To go against. But is it right, my son, that for his sake you should keep your mouth shut and not say what you feel, what you consider just? ତେଣୁ ଯାହା ଠିକ୍, just ମାନେ ଯାହା ଠିକ୍, ସେଇଟା ତୁ ଯଦି ନ କହୁଛୁ ଠିକ୍ କି? ହେଲା, when our conscience is asleep, we may not be conscious of wrong. We do unwittingly. ହେଲା, but challenge your conscience, wake it up, and you will find that it puts up with nothing. ହେଲା, ସେ କିଛି ସହିବନି. that is unfair. ଯାହା ବି unfair ତା ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଯିବ. ହେଲା, ସେ କହୁଛି ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ କହିଲା ନା, but challenge your conscience. ହେଲା, wake it up, ताको उठा कनसाइंस को कहीं सोया को देछु हैला सो इट हैपेंड विथ अलागू हैला अलागू ପାଇଁ ବି ସେଟା ହେଲା he did not reply but the words of the old lady kept ringing in his ears ହେଲା ସେ କିଛି କହିଲାନି କିନ୍ତୁ ହଁ the पंचायत was scheduled to be ओके से खाली ता କଥା ଭାବିଲା ये କଣ କହିକିରି ଗଲା ହେଲା ଏ କଥା ଭାବିଲା ହେଲା ଯେ ମୁଁ actually କହିବା କଥା ହଁ the panchayat was scheduled to be held in the evening under the village tree ହେଲା 4ଟା ବେଳେ ହବ ଇଭିନିଂ ରେ Juman saw to all the arrangements ସବୁ ଦେଖିଲା saw to all the arrangements ସେ ସବୁ କରିଥିଲା arrangements ହେଲା a carpet was spread and a good supply of a elaichi pan and elaichi and hookahs were provided. All the guests began to arrive one by one. They were welcomed by Juman mainly Kortala, who had taken his seat with Olagu in the far corner रे बसते है as the sun set the proceedings of the panchayat started hello proceedings विचार overhead on the tree another panchayat was going on ହେଲା overhead on the tree गच्छ ऊपर गोटे पंचायत चलछि कोन the birds were holding their evening meetings ହେଲା birds गदा है चंती ହେଲା and as one looked around one could see that a majority of those who had come to the panchayat were those who were not well disposed towards Juma. Actually मेजोरिटी तापर खुशी ना सब जानी जुमान ठीक काम करनी है The scene presented a strange sight है कौन है The live charcoal was kept glowing in one corner to feed the chillums and this was in constant demand of the guests by the guests ए चिलम रे दरकार निया बुझी पारछ The village barber who attended to this business so सी देखुतला barber had hardly a moment's rest ता पाखे समय नथिला हैला so in another corner the village children were shouting crying and quarreling and in yet another आ गोटे corner रे हैला village dogs were हैला quarreling thinking it was feast day हैला ସେମାନେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ feast ହଉଛି ବୁଝିଲା ଲୋକ ଗଦା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା so the dogs had assembled in full force ହେଲା ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଅଛି ଲୋକ ଗଦା ହେଲେ ସେ ଗଦା ହେଲେ ଖାଇବାକୁ in short there was excitement and a hobnob all around okay so there was what you have written a hobnob maybe that noise is the hobnob all around okay when all the panchas had taken their seats panchamane asigale the aged aunt rose से भी उठिला उपरକୁ and thus addressed them तांको कहिला कोन you know members of the panchayat that 3 years ago I executed a deed मु गोटे deed करथिली in favor of my nephew Juman transferring all my property to him Juman on his part promised to maintain me से मते चळेबो बोली कहैतला For a long time I have been subjected to abuse. मु किंतु एबे ସେ ଚଳେଇବ କ'ଣ ମୋତେ ସରି ମୋତେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କରୁଛି ଇନସଲ୍ଟସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନ୍ୟାଗିଂ ଓକେ ମୋତେ ଗାଳି ଦଉଛି ହେଲା ଫ୍ରମ୍ ହିଜ୍ ୱାଇଫ୍ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଏନି ଚେକ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଜୁମାନ ଏଥିର କିଛି କିଛି ପାଟି ପିଟଉନି ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ହାଭ୍ ନାଓ କମ୍ ଟୁ ସଚ୍ ଏ ପାସ୍ ତେଣୁ ଏବେ ଅବସ୍ଥାକୁ ଆସିଲାଣି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନୋ ଲଙ୍ଗର ପସିବୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ ମି ଟୁ ଲିଭ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ହିମ୍ ଆଉ ତା ପାଖରେ ରହିପାରିବିନି I am denied food and clothes ମୋତେ ମନା କରାହେଲାଣି food clothes I am a helpless widow too poor to run to the courts for redress ଏହା ଠିକ ହବ ବୋଲି ରିମେଡି ହବ ବୋଲି ହେଲା ମୋତେ ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟ ବି ଯାଇପାରୁନି all I can do is to appeal to you ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛି ଅପିଲ କରୁଛି ଫର୍ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ୍ ମୋତେ ନ୍ୟାୟ ଦିଅ ହେଲା ବଟ୍ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ଫଲ୍ଟ ୱିଥ୍ ଜୁମାନ କରେକ୍ଟ ହିମ୍ ତୁମେ ଜୁମାନକୁ କରେକ୍ଟ କର I solemnly assure you that I shall faithfully carry out your orders ସେ କହୁଛି punish me ହେଲା ମୋତେ ଦିଅ ମୋତେ ଦଣ୍ଡ ଦିଅ if I am in the wrong ମୋତେ ଦଣ୍ଡ ଦିଅ but if you find fault with Juman correct him ତାକୁ ବି କରେକ୍ଟ କର ହେଲା I solemnly assure ହେଲା you solemnly ମାନେ ଗଡଙ୍କୁ କଥା ଦେଇକି ଯେମିତି କହନ୍ତି ହାତ ରଖିକିରି ଯେମିତି କହନ୍ତି ହେଲା that I shall faithfully carry out your orders ମୋର ଭୁଲ ଥିବ ଯାହା ଦଣ୍ଡ ଦବ ମୁଁ ଭୋଗିବି I will carry out your orders ରାମଧାନ ମିଶ୍ର some of whose tenants Juman had settled in his own village ହେଲା ତେଣୁ some of whose tenants Juman had settled in his own village and who consequently nursed a grievance against him now rose and asked Juman to suggest his nominee to act as a head punch କିଏ head punch ତୁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ each party to the dispute having the right to do so first ପଚରା ହେଲା ତୋର head punch ତୁ କାହାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ତାପରେ ପଚରା ହବ ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲେଡି so ରାମଧାନ ମିଶ୍ର some of whose tenants Juman had settled in his own village some of whose tenants Juman had settled in his own village and who consequently nursed a grievance against him now rose asked Juman to suggest his nominee ତୁ କହ ରାମଧାନ ମିଶ୍ର କହିଲା ହେଲା ବୁଝିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ମାନେ ରାମଧାନ ମିଶ୍ର some of whose tenants ତାହାର ଫାର୍ମର ଗୁଡାକୁ ଜୁମାନ ଆଣିଛି ହାରି ଜୁମାନ ଆଣିକିରି ତା ଭିଲେଜରେ ରଖିଦେଇଛି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ and who consequently nursed ତାର ଗୋଟେ ବି ୟା ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ଆସିଗଲାଣି କାହା ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ନା ଜୁମାନ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ now rose and asked Juman ତୁମେ ଛିଡା ହୁଅ କୁହ ତମର କିଏ ହେଲା to act as head punch ହେଲା ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା so Ramadhan Mishra has been an enemy to him Juman did not fail to understand the significance of this remark ସେ ବୁଝିଗଲା he knew the majority of those who had turned up ଯୋଉମାନେ ସବୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି were against him ସବୁ ଯେତେ ଆଇଛନ୍ତି ତ ମୋ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧ ଲୋକ ବେଶୀ ଆଇଛନ୍ତି for one reason or another ହେଲା अच्छा, he therefore replied, से reply करना, the voice of the Punch is the voice of God. Let my aunt herself nominate the head punch. से कहला head punch ମୁଁ କରିବିନି, ମୋ aunt କରନ୍ତୁ. I shall abide by her decision. ହେଲା, ଆଚ୍ଛା, ବୁଝିଲା? ତେଣୁ ସେ ଯାହାକୁ ହେଡ୍ ପଞ୍ଚ କରିବେ ମୋର କିଛି ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ନାହିଁ. And when the old woman shouted, why, man of God, why don't you suggest your nominee? Juman sharply retorted. এটা old man କହିଲା, why, man of God, why don't you suggest your nominee? ତୁ nominee କାହିଁ କରୁନୁ? ହେଲା, Juman sharply retorted. ସେ ଟିକେ retorted means maybe ଚୁପ ରହିବା. I know it is your hour of triumph. Choose your own nominee. It's all the same to me. Okay, ସେ କହିଲା ତୋର ଭିକ୍ଟ୍ରି ହବ, ଟ୍ରିମ୍ଫ ହେଲା, ତୁ ତୋ ନୋମିନି କର. It's all same to me. ମୋର ନୋମିନି କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. It's all same to me. ହେଲା, the insinuation was not lost. Insinuation कौन लिखଛୁ? The insinuation was not lost on the aunt. Okay, ସେ ସେଇଟାକୁ ହେଲା ଛାଡ଼ିଲାନି. ସେ କହିଲା, she rebuked him, ଗାଳି ଦେଲା, my son, fear God. The Punch knows neither friend nor enemy. ହେଲା, Punch ଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ କ'ଣ enemy ଆଉ ଇଏ କ'ଣ? If you don't trust anyone, don't propose my any name. But what do you say to ଅଲାଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ? ଅଲାଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ କଥା ସେ ପକେଇଲା. କିଏ? ସେ ଅଣ୍ଟ ପକେଇଲା. ଅଲାଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ କଥା କହୁନୁ ହେଲା. Juman was not prepared for this good luck. Okay, hiding his secret joy, he replied. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଇଟା ସେ ଅଲାଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ କଥା ପଡ଼ିଲା, ଅଣ୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହିଲାଣି, ୟାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା. ଅଲାଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ ତ ମୋ ଲୋକ ପୁରା, ମୋ ନିଜ ଇଏ ହେଲା. ତେଣୁ ଜୁମନ was not prepared for this good luck. ସେ ଏମିତି ଗୁଡ୍ ଲକ୍ ହବ ବୋଲି, ଏତେ ତା ନିଜ ଲୋକଟାକୁ ଡାକା ହବ ବୋଲି ସେ ଭାବିନଥିଲା. କାରଣ ତାର ସବୁ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ଆଇଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା. ହାଇଡିଂ ହିଜ୍ ସିକ୍ରେଟ ଜୟ, ହି ରିପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍, ସେ କହିଲା, very well, if you must have him, have him. ତାକୁ ଯଦି ଚାହୁଁଛ କର. It is all the same for me, to me, whether you nominate ଅଲାଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ or ରାମଧାନ ମିଶ୍ର. ରାମଧାନ ମିଶ୍ରକୁ ନୋମିନେଟ୍ କର, ପଞ୍ଚ କର, କି ତାକୁ କର. ଅଲାଗୁ who did not wish to be dragged into the dispute now demurred, disagreed ହେଲା, and said, disagreed ହେଲା, demurred, disagreed କଲା, କହିଲା, aunt, you are not unaware of my relations with Juman. କହିଲା, ତୁ ଜାଣିଛୁ? You are not unaware, unaware, ତୁ ଜାଣିଛୁ, not unaware, ଜାଣିଛୁ. I know them well, my son, she replied, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience ହେଲା, for the sake of friendship. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ଜାଣିଛି, ତତେ ବି ଜାଣିଛି. Allah lives in the heart of the Punch. ପଞ୍ଚରେ ଯେ ବସିବ ସେଥିରେ ଆଲ୍ଲାହ ବସନ୍ତି ହେଲା. And his voice is the voice of God ହେଲା. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଯିଏ ବି ପଞ୍ଚ ହଉ, ସେ ଆମ ଲାଗି God. That is how Alagu Chaudhary became the head punch. Ramdhan Mishra and others were opposed to Juman cursed the old woman for her folly in their heart of hearts. ହେଲା ସେମାନେ କହିନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ହେଲା କଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ହେଲା ବୋଲି ଓ ମ୍ୟାନକୁ ଯେ ଏମିତି କଣ କହିଲା ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା okay Olagu now began addressing Juman he said means he said to Juman Sheikh Juman you and I are old friends whenever any of us was in trouble the other came to his help now I am a paunch you and your aunt are equal in my eyes if you have anything to say in your defense say it Juman believing that Alagu was only pretending to be fair and just that means he is trying to pretend कौन pretend କରୁଛି ମାନେ କଣ ମାନେ ସେ ମିଛରେ fair and just ହଉଛି ହେଲା replied confidently କଣ କହିଲା members of panchayat you know that 3 years ago my aunt executed a deed in my favor transferring all her property to me in return I promised to maintain her ତା କଥା ବୁଝିବି as long as she lived God is my witness that I have kept my word I have kept my word ମୋ କଥା ମୁଁ ରଖିଛି I have obeyed her as I would have obeyed my mother ତା କଥା ବି ମାନିଛି it is my duty to serve her but I cannot hide the fact that there have been occasional quarrels between her and my wife. Women are always like that. It is no fault of mine. My aunt now claims माने दाबी करुची a monthly maintenance allowance जोटा monthly सब मासरे दिया जाए or from me that is beyond me माने I cannot pay that as her property does not yield much ହେଲା माने सेतिकी ता प्रॉपर्टी रू सेतिकी हबनी besides there is no mention of it in the deed besides माने कौन ता छड़ा there is no mention of it in the deed तेणु deed रे भी से कथा लेखा नहीं had there been जदि था I would have wished my hands clean of it मु चाही थांती my hands clean of it माने मु चाही थांती एथिरे न पसिया my hands clean of it okay this is all that I have to say in the matter Alagu Chaudhary was no novice माने inexperienced माने new no novice माने no new he was not a new to this activity his business took him often to the courts okay तेणु कोर्ट्स को बहुत तरह से जाइए he knew law as well as any lawyer भलिया से law जानी okay he made mincemeat of Juman so that means he made a complete defeat in his cross examination so he made mincemeat of Juman that means he completely defeated each question that he thundered माने फोपाड़िला thundered out fell like a blow of a hammer fell माने पड़िला like a blow of a hammer Ramadhan was in exaltation exaltation माने excitement. Okay, while Juman was wondering. Exaltation माने he was feeling happy in excitement. While Juman was wondering, Juman was wondering, Juman was saying, what is happening? What devil is there in this friend of mine? Only a moment ago he was talking to me so cordially. माने friendly, cordially माने friendly से मो सागर कथबार्ता होतला. Now he seems to be bent upon digging my grave. से लागिची, bent upon माने लागिची. Digging my grave, मो grave खोलिबारे, मो कबर खोलिबारे. ହେଲା. God knows what ancient grudge he is feeding fat today. ମାନେ ଆଜି କଣ ମୁଁ ସୁଝଉଛି ଋଣ ମୋ ମାନେ ଇଏ କଣ ସୁଝଉଛି କଣ ମୋ କଣ ରାଗ ସୁଝଉଛି. ଗ୍ରଜ ହି ଇଜ ଫିଡିଂ ଫ୍ୟାଟ, ରାଗ ସୁଝେଇବା ହେଲା today. While Juman was still lost in those thoughts, Alagu pronounced the verdict. ହେଲା. He was still lost, ଏବେ ବି ସେଇ କଥା ଭାବୁଛି ହେଲା. in those thoughts ହେଲା. Alagu pronounced से declare कला the verdict, judgment से declare कला judgment. Juman said the members of the panchayat have gone into the matter, gone into माने investigated the matter most carefully, investigated the matter. It is their considered opinion माने से माने भाबी चिंती opinion नहीं चलती, consider करचंदी हैला. Consider opinion that you are liable to pay, तते दबाकू पड़िबो. Okay, you are liable to pay, you are expected to pay. Okay, you are directed to pay, liable to pay to your aunt ହେଲା, a fixed monthly allowance out of realization from her property. ତେଣୁ ତା property କୁ ତୁ ବିକିକିରି out of realization of her property, ତା property ରୁ ଯାହା ମିଳିଲା ହେଲା ତୁ ସେଥିରୁ ତାକୁ ଦବୁ allowance. If you do not comply with this decision, ତୁ ଯଦି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଏଇ ମତରେ ଏକମତ ନୁହଁ, if you are not agree with this decision, the deed transferring her property to you, ସେ deed ଟା ହେଲା, ସେ ଦଲିଲ ଟା will be deemed void, ସେଟା ସରିଯିବ, deemed void ହେଲା. That means it will be considered okay ineffective, ineffective in okay afterwards. So Jaman was stunned. Stunned means here stupefied or astonished. He was stunned. से चमकी गला. The words fell on his ears like a thunderbolt. Okay, घड़घड़ी भलिया ता देरे बाजिला हैला ता ear रे. So he could not understand the friend on whom he relied so much, जहाँ ऊपर एते rely करथला, जहाँ ऊपर एते से trust करथला, he kept trust upon him so much, had suddenly turned into a bitter foe. So he had changed, turned into, he had changed to a bitter foe. Bitter माने बहुत बड़ गाढ़ शत्रु हैला, foe, enemy. It was only in crucial moments like this that friendship was tested. Friendship it is tested in this time. So he has gone a traitor. Okay, so Kaliyug had indeed come, for deceit and treachery were synonymous with friendship. So the deceit, cheating and treachery, ठकामी हैला were synonymous, are going with going equally with the friendship. So no wonder that plague and cholera were ravaging the country. So, if friendship is having this thing, then what is the so no wonder that plague and cholera are ravaging, are destroying the country. eh, it's not a big issue. It is a small issue if friendship goes like that. Okay. It was different with Ramadhan Mishra and other members of the Panchayat. No praise was now too high for Alagu and his sense of fairness and justice. So no praise was too high for Alagu. So that means everybody praised him. This is true Panchayat. Okay. Alagu has divided truth from falsehood as a swan separates milk from water. Swan water ରୁ milk ହିଁ ଖାଲି ଖାଇଦବ water କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକି So friendship has its place in life but it cannot override truth and justice. So friendship has its place in life. friendship friendship ତା ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି ହେଲା ଲାଇଫରେ but it cannot override the truth and justice. Because of friendship, truth and justice will be hidden. Okay, so it is not like that. It is only honest men like Olagu who sustain their friendship has its place in life. Okay, everybody has a friendship. Okay, everybody has friends, but it cannot override the truth and justice. Okay, if you have friendship with me, that means I should not I will I will not I will blindly support the means everything. Okay, if you are doing wrong, that means I will support. It is not like that. If I have friendship, okay, so that means also truth and justice is there. Friendship cannot override. Okay, truth and justice. Okay, override means तापरे ताकू से ये करी परिवनी कौन truth and justice is such thing. Even friendship cannot override it. Okay, override मतलब बुझ पारु तो ताकू से ता ऊपर नहीं ताकू रिप्लेस कर परिवो. ओके, अच्छा ता माने truth and justice is more important than the friendship. अच्छा, it is only the honest man like Olagu who sustain the earth. से माने ही sustain करके रखछंती, earth को बंचेकी रखछंती. sustain माने बंचेबा. Or it would have sunk under, sunk माने बुड़ी जाइथाना. Sink रू past tense, sink, sank, sunk. ହେଲା, sunk under the ocean long ago. ହେଲା. These were some of the remarks they were making, people were making. As a result of the Panchayat's verdict, okay, verdict means decision, the strong roots of the tree of friendship with Juman and Alagu had planted together were now sorely shaken. माने sorely shaken माने ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା पूरा ये तांकर से जो strong root से बनै थिले it is gone. सोर माने कोन जानछु तो सोर माने जोटा कि कहंती गोटे घा हेतिबो अति पूरा माने क्रोनिक हे गले ताको कहंती सोर. ओके, sorely second माने हली जाइछि. So it is no more there, that friendship. Root has gone. Okay, root has gone second. अच्छा, the two were seldom seen together. ଆଉ ଏକାଠି ବସୁନାହାନ୍ତି. seldom. अच्छा, ए सिंगल ब्लास्ट ऑफ ट्रूथ हैड स्नैप्ड, सिंगल ब्लास्ट ऑफ ट्रूथ, ये जो सत्यटा, इट्स ए ब्लास्ट लाइक, गोटे जो ये bombarding like, okay, so had snapped the bond of their friendship, huh? Had snapped, snapped माने कौन, छड़े नवा है, अच्छा, it fell like a tree whose roots instead of going deep into the solid earth, huh? So ସେଇ tree ଟା were loosely held in sand, ଏଇ tree ର ଯୋଉ tree ର sand ରେ ଚେରଟା ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଫଟକି ପଡ଼ିଯିବ, it fell like that ହେଲା। The two friends now became over formal ମାନେ ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟରେ କଥା ହେବେ ହେଲା, over formal in exchanging courtesies ହେଲା, formal they avoided meeting each other and if they ever met by chance, ଯଦି ଭେଟ ହେଲେ it was like a sword meeting the shield, ଟାଣ ଟାଣ କଥା ହେବେ, ମାନେ sword ରେ ଯେମିତି sword ଯେମିତି shield ରେ ବାଜିଲେ ଯେମିତି ଢାଇ ଢାଇ ଶବ୍ଦ ହୁଏ, ଢାଲ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ କଣ ଢାଲ, sword ହଉଛି ଖଣ୍ଡା, ଢାଲରେ ଖଣ୍ଡା ବାଜିଲେ ଢାଇ ଢାଇ ବାଜିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଗୁଡା ସେତେବେଳେ ଢାଇ ଢାଇ ହବ ହେଲା, they will be talking in rude language ହେଲା। So day and night there was only one rankling thought in Juman's heart, okay, rankling will be bad thought, how to avenge himself on Alagu, so how to take the revenge ହେଲା, for his dark treachery, जो ठकिଛି, it is always easier to harm a person than do him a good turn ହେଲା, than do him a good turn, ଭଲ କରିବା, to harm କରିବା ବେଶୀ ସହଜ, if you are constantly on the lookout for an opportunity to wrong someone, କାହାକୁ କ୍ଷତି କରିବା, ଏଠି wrong ଟା ହେଉଛି verb ହେଇଛି to wrong, wrong ଟା verb ହେଇଛି ହେଲା, ଯଦି ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ତମେ ଚାହୁଁଛ କ୍ଷତି କରିବାକୁ, you are sure to find it sooner or later ହେଲା, ତମକୁ ଚାନ୍ସ ମିଳିଯିବ, Juman had not long to wait, ତାକୁ ବି ଚାନ୍ସ ମିଳିଗଲା ହେଲା, he had not long to wait means ଏଟାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା he had not to wait long, Alagu had purchased a year ago from the Bhatteshwar fair a pair of fine bullocks with their beautiful long curved horns, ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ସିଂହ, so and western breed, they were a western breed, they were for months the envy and a breed ମାନେ ଏ ଯୋଉ କହନ୍ତିନି ଏରା ହଉଛି ମାନେ ଦେଶୀ ବ୍ରିଡ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବ୍ରିଡ୍, କୁକୁର ଦେଶୀ କୁକୁର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବିଲାତି କୁକୁର ହେଲା, ଯୋଉ କୋଉଟା ବେଶୀ ପଇସା, ଦେଶୀ କୁକୁର ତ ବହୁତ ମିଳୁଛି, ଏଠି ଆଣିକି ରଖୁଛି, ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବ୍ରିଡ୍ ମାନେ ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ବିଲାତି ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବ୍ରିଡ୍ ମାନେ ସେଇଠୁ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଛି, ବ୍ରିଡ୍ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉଟା ଜନ୍ମ ଆଉ କଣ ହେଲା, they were for months the envy and the rage of the whole village, okay, envy ମାନେ jealousy and the rage means anger, okay, of the whole village, ସେ ବୁଲକ ଦିଟା ଏମିତି ହେଇଥିଲେ, but as ill luck would have it, as ill luck would have it, भाग्य खराब हेले जा हुए हैला one of the bullocks died, मरिगला. ill luck would have it, भाग्य खराब थिले जा हुए कहंदेनी. as this happened soon after the पंचायत बसला पर एटा हेछि. the relations between the two friends became further strained. ହେଲା. So the relations between the two friends became further strained. ହେଲା, strained पुणी further strained ହେଲା. strained माने कोन, बेसी आहुरी ये ହେଲା, कलंकित ହେଲା. ହେଲା, strained माने कलंकित ହେଲା. ହେଲା. So it lecture तमे expanded but okay. अच्छा, Juman started saying, Juman कहला कौन, God's punishment has overtaken Olagu ହେଲା for his treacherous conduct. ତେଣୁ God's punishment has overtaken Olagu ହେଲା. So ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କାମ କରିଛି ସେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଫଳ ପାଉଛି. Olagu on his side began to connect the Bullock's sudden death with Juman. So से ताको connect करुची Bullock's sudden death with Juman. Connect something with somebody. से कोजी या जोगु हैला. He suspected that Juman had poisoned it. तो poison दे दी थी आउ. His wife openly went about accusing. चारियाडे बुली बुली कहबा, openly went about accusing Juman of the crime. He had given the poison to our bullock. So it died. The two viragos means wives. The two ladies now came out and hurled abuses, means exchanged abuses. Okay, abuses, gari gulojo, and insults at each other. Okay, it was only with great difficulty that their husbands succeeded in parting them ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା କରିବାକୁ. ଏତେ ଜୋର ସେ ମାନେ ବାଡ଼ିଆ ପିଟା ହବାରେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଥିଲେ ହେଲା. So ତାକୁ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ମାନେ ଆସିକିରି parting, they succeeded, they were successful to part them, others could not. Okay, Juman dragged his wife away from the scene of battle and Olagu had to use his stick. Weld means use. So he used his stick to, okay, so Juman dragged his wife and Olagu used his stick to quieten the other woman. Okay, so Olagu used his stick to quieten his wife. Okay, when one bullock died, Olagu had now no use for the other. For long he tried hard to secure another bullock. For long, many days he tried. Many days. He tried to secure, to get another bullock to make up his pair. To make up his pair, माने adjust करिए his pair. Okay. Okay, to make up his pair. His pair. Right, that means other bullock's pair. Make up his pair. Acha. But without success. He therefore, it is his mane bullock. Right? Make up his pair. It is his mane bullock. But without success. He therefore decided to sell it. There lived in the village one Samju Sahu, a cart driver, who carried on his business. Carried on माने से तार ये business चालू रखतिला. तार सेटा business. He carried on business between the village and town. से बिजनेस कौन करे ना है विलेज टाउन को जीव जिनस आनिव विलेज रे बिकिव he used to take the village commodity to the sorry he carried on his business between village and town तामाने से विलेज रे भी करे टाउन रे भी करे हैला ता बिजनेस used to take village commodity to the town village commodity नेगिरी टाउन को जाए and with the proceeds of this sale ताको बिकी दिए सेतरु जहा बाहरिला that is the proceeds okay that is the sale proceeds of his sale he brought back to the village such goods as found a ready market there so such goods okay as found a ready market there so ଯେମିତି କି ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ରେଡି ମାର୍କେଟ ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗିବ ଗାଁରେ he thought to himself ସେ ଭାବିଲା that if he could get Alagus Bullock he would be able to make at least 3 or 4 trips daily to the town and back so हाँ से जाए 3टा ट्रिप करियो पुणी बैक भी करियो बुझी परछो and thus swell his profits बढ़ियो हला बढ़ेयो at present all he could do was to make 1 or 2 trips to the town market with this purpose he negotiated for the purchase of Alagus Bullock so negotiate कला he negotiated हला कथा चलेला and ultimately शेषरे after trial टेस्ट भी कला ट्रायल माने टेस्ट कला कहा को बलद को purchased it on the understanding that he would pay the price in a month's time हला तार जहा प्राइस से ताकू मासे भीतर दे अच्छा hoping to multiply the income several times and finding the Bullock strong and hitty okay so hitty माने hefty so muscular strong and muscular Bullock Samju Sahu began to overwork it ताकू overwork करेला हैला 3 trips to the town were now his daily routine सबुदिन 3 थर जीव and sometimes even 4 थर the bullock was hardly allowed to rest or to take its full feed हैला ता फुल खाद्य से खाएनी तो उसे अलाउ करेनी he was hardly allowed हैला अलाउ करेनी so Samju Sahu did not allow the bullock it had hardly finished one trip when it was yoked for another ताकू पुणी जोची दिए जोचा हुए for another गोटे कंप्लीट आसीची करिची कि नहीं गोटे ट्रिप पुणी जोची दब ताकू हैला yoked how different from its life at Alagus in Alagus house there it was used only occasionally बेले बेले यूज करा जाए ताकू ए सर्वेंट लुक्ड आफ्टर इट कॉन्स्टेंटली सर्वेंट भी ताकू देखुतिला तार केयर नउतला लुक्ड आफ्टर and its body was rubbed vigorously twice a day a body की भी धुआ होतला twice vigorously strongly no wonder it grew fat and strong and always looked fresh हैला फ्रेश देखा होतला सब but now instead of rest and good care it was on unceasing round of trips unceasing माने कमिबा unceasing माने कमुनी जमा एला सरुनी राउंड ऑफ ट्रिप्स ये जो राउंड ऑफ ट्रिप्स जीव आसीबो to and from the town, and on the top of it came starvation. ପୁଣି ତାକୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦଉନି, starvation came. Okay, starvation, ଭୋକିଲା ରହିଲା ସେ, ହେଲା। In a month, the poor bullock was reduced to a skeleton. पूरा skeleton ହେଇଗଲା। It could hardly drag the cart, और cart को भी drag कर पारला। When it failed to do so, or it slowed down, जदि भी fail कला कि slow कला टिके, a shower of blows, खाइला माट, invariably means सब बड़े, a shower of blows invariably always descended on its aching limbs. ତେଣୁ ତାର hacking limbs ତା ଉପରେ, ତା ଗୋଡ଼ ଉପରେ ମାଡ଼ ହୁଏ, ହେଲା। hacking limbs ମାଡ଼ ଖାଇ ଖାଇ ବି ପେନ୍ ହଉଛି, hacking. Okay. One day when the bullock was already dead tired, पूरा टायर्ड ହେଇଯାଇଛି from 3 trips, Sahu, समझू साहू, loaded the cart with twice the normal weight for its 4th trip. आउ थरे जीवो टाउन को, jaded and tired out, the poor animals, jaded and tired out, jaded माने सही weakness, animal strained its utmost. Okay, strained here, labor, it so much, labor, so its utmost to move the cart, so he tried very utmost, he tried his most, his best to move the cart but failed, hela, tani parlani. It tried again, this time it succeeded but could not proceed more than few yards, बेसी बाटे जाई parlani. Sahu as usual began to rain down his blows, till on account of severe punishment it received both on account of Yarjogu, and the tired limbs that were overstrained, over labored ताकू दिया है limbs को, गोड़ों को, the bullock tottered, ହେଲା, ପଡ଼ିଗଲା, and collapsed, ହେଲା, ପଡ଼ିଗଲା. But still Sahu wouldn't stop, ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଛାଡ଼ିନି, ପୁଣି ବାଡ଼େଇଲା. He went on belaboring the poor animal till death came, ହେଲା, belaboring. Okay, he went on the belaboring, ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ଉଠେଇଲା, ପୁଣି କହିଲା ଉଠୁ, ହେଲା, till the death came as a welcome release. ସେ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ମରିଗଲା ଏବଂ ହେଲା ତା ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ରିଲିଜ ହେଲା. Sahu did not know what to do, ମରିଗଲା. He looked around for help, ହେଲା, ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ବୁଲିଲା, ଦେଖିଲା କ'ଣ କରିବ, କିଏ ତାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ. But none was forthcoming, ହେଲା, nobody was coming there, nobody was seen there. Okay, right, nobody was coming in that direction. Then he slowly disengaged the dead animal from the cart, bahar kala dekho, and decided to spend the night there, ହେଲା, ସେଟା ରହିବ, but ପୁରା night, but not before he had given a last kick to the poor animal and cursed it for landing him in such difficulties. ତେଣୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେ ରହିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ କିକ୍ ମାଇଲା ତାକୁ, ହେଲା. For the truth is that it is not the loss of the bullock which troubled Sahu. से एते जोरे चिड़िला, ताको किक मारला, not because of that it has troubled him, it has means loss of the bullock. It was not due to the loss of the bullock. Huh? So as much as the but uh, as the dread fact. So dread fact that the cart carried so cart ଭିତରେ କଣ ଥିଲା a large quantity of ghee, wood and salt which in terms of money meant much ମାନେ ତାର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ବହୁତ meant much ମୂଲ୍ୟ ବହୁତ in terms of money and in addition he had on his person about 250 rupees. Okay, and in addition he had on his person and he had kept with him about 250 rupees ହେଲା 250 ଟଙ୍କା ସେ ରଖିଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ଯୁଗରେ 250 ଟଙ୍କା ବହୁତ ଆଜିକାଲିର 25,000 କି 2.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସମାନ about 250 rupees which he had realized from the day's sale of a village goods ନେଇକି जो ବିକିଛି ଏଥିରୁ ସେ ପାଇଛି Sahu could not leave the cart with its rich load ହେଲା ତାକୁ ତ ଛାଡ଼ି ପାରିବନି nor did he dare to trudge the distance home nor did he dare to trudge means to go in work the distance home alone ତା ଘରକୁ ବି ଯାଇ ବି ପାରିବନି and unfriended with so much of cash about him and unfriended with so much cash about him so nor did he dare to trudge the distance home alone so ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ଯାଇପାରିବନି ଘରକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବନି and unfriended with so much cash about him okay and unfriended with so much cash about him ତାମାନେ ଏ କ୍ୟାଶ ଗୁଡା ବି କୋଉଠି ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ପାରିବନି ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ କୋଉଠି ରଖି ବି ପାରିବନି unfriended he therefore thought it best to remain where he was ସେଠି ରହିବ passing the long weary night okay weary night awake okay boring night weary କେମିତି ରହିବ ପାସ୍ କରିବ passing the long weary night କଣ awake ଚେଇଁକି ରହିବ with the help of his ଚିଲମ ଟାଣିବ ଚେଇଁକି ରହିବ tying his purse round his waist like a belt ହେଲା purse ଟାକୁ ସେ ବାନ୍ଧିଲା he busied himself with his chillum ପିଇଲା and charcoal ହେଲା himself with his busy chillum and charcoal ରେ ନିଆଁ ଜାଳିଲା till midnight came ହେଲା ରାତି ଯାଏ then worried okay it weary it be worried worried with the day's work tired ହେଇଯାଇଛି worried ହେଲା being tired with the day's work and his misfortune his eyes began to droop ଆଖି ପଡ଼ିଗଲା droop and it was and he was soon fast asleep ଘୁଙ୍ଗୁଡ଼ି ମାରିଲା ନିଦରେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲା not till daybreak did he awake ହେଲା till daybreak ସକାଳ ଯାଏ ପୁରା not till daybreak did he awake सो से उठिलानी सकाळे जाइए उठिला देन casually passing his hand round his waist to see that all was safe. So casually passing just in ତା ହାତଟା ନଉଛି his hand around his waist to see that all was safe. He discovered to his horror that all the money was gone. ଆଉ ନାହିଁ. He ran to his cart only to find that tins of ghee which he had carefully stored there were also gone. ସବୁ ଘିଅ ପିଇ ପଳେଇଛି. Overwhelmed with grief, ହେଲା ଗ୍ରିଫ୍ ତା ଉପରେ ମାଡ଼ି ବସିଲା. ଓକେ overwhelmed ସର ହୋଇଗଲା. So overwhelmed with grief he flung himself like ନିଜକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲା. flung himself into the ground ପଇଲା ତଳେ. Bent his head ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବାଡ଼େଇଲା and wept କାନ୍ଦିଲା. weep ର past tense ହେଲା. Then he had recovered a little from the shock. He stood up and managed somehow to trudge home. ଘରକୁ ଯିବ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ହେଲା. When he had recovered a little ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାର ପୁଣି ଟିକେ ଚେତା ଆସିଲା from the shock, he stood up ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଲା and managed somehow to trudge home. ଗଲା. Long did he the Sahuyan beat her breast, and bitterly where did she cry when she heard the doleful story. Long did the Sahuani beat her breast, and bitterly did she cry. ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ବି କାନ୍ଦିଲା when she heard the doleful sorrowful story. She cursed and abused Alagu as the root cause of all their misfortunes. ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ଅଲାଗୁକୁ ସେମାନେ ତାଠୁ ବଳଦ ଆଣିଥିଲେ, ତାଠୁ ଆଣିକି ଜିନିଷ ସବୁ ହେଲା ବୋଲି ଅଲାଗୁକୁ ସେ ଇଏ କଲେ. If he had not sold in an evil hour ହେଲା the ill-starred bullock, ill-starred bullockଟା ସେ ଆସିଛି ବୋଲି ଏମିତି ହେଲା. They would surely have never had to see that day. They had lost all their life's savings. ହେଲା ସବୁ ଯାକ ସେ ହରେଇଲା. One day, several months after the bullock's death, Alagu thought to remind Sahu about the bullock's price. Bullock's price से मांगिला. ताको रिमाइंड करा ये पैसा दबुनी. This was enough to make Sahu and his wife fly at him like mad dogs. ସେମାନେ ତା ଉପରେ ଗୋଡ଼େଇଲେ ହେଲା fly at him. Look at the fellow's brazeness. ମାନେ daring. They cried. He has the cheek to come to us and demand the bullock's price after all the misfortune which the animal has brought on us. So what he produced, what he has given to us, ସେଇଟା the animal has given to us. Okay, so ବୁଝିଲା. अच्छा, he sold us a dead beast and now he wants us to pay for it. We are true. Okay, we are true बणियाज. हमें पूरा बणिया मैं व्यापारी who know what it is what is what? First go and wash your dirty face in the ditch water. Ditch water means नाଳ पानी रे, and then come to us for payment. After all, we did not use your bullock for more than a month. ହେଲା ତ ମାସେ ଭିତରେ ପଇସା ଦେଲେ ଆମେ ତ ମାସେ ତ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିନୁ. And if you must insist on your claims, better take away our bullock. Use it for 2 months. ଆମ ବଳଦଟା ନେଇଯା if you please, and then return it to us. ତୁ ଯାଇ 2 ମାସ ନେଇକି ରଖ ଆମକୁ ଫେରେଇ ଦେ. This is the utmost that we can do, shouted husband and wife. ସେ କହିଲେ ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ଆମେ ସେତିକି ହିଁ କରିପାରିବୁ. Alagu Chaudhary was not without his enemies in the village. ତାର ବହୁତ enemy ଥିଲେ ହେଲା. The news that Sahu had refused to honor his promise soon spread. All those whom Alagu had displeased, ଯାହାକୁ Alagu displease କରିଥିଲା, now gathered around Sahu ପାଖରେ ଆସିକି ଜମା ହେଲେ and supported his contention. ହେଲା. But 150 rupees, the price of the bullock, was not a small sum, and Alagu could ill afford to forego it. Okay, and Alagu could ill afford to forego it. Alagu भी छाड़ी परिवनी. Alagu could ill afford. Alagu भी ହେଲା ଏତିକି ପଇସା ତାର ବି ସେ ବି ଛାଡ଼ି ପାରିବନି. Though rebuffed and abused again and again by Sahu, whenever he approached him, he did not give up his claim. ସେ ଛାଡ଼ି ପାରିଲାନି ତା claim. କହିଲା ମୁଁ ମତେ ତତେ ଦବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ହେଲା. ଆଚ୍ଛା. One day when Sahu's tongue was unusually sharp, ହେଲା, unusually sharp ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଜୋରରେ କହୁଛି ସେ ହେଲା, ଗାଳି ଦଉଥିଲା. Alagu too lost his temper. Alagu ବି ରାଗିଗଲା. Sahu rushed to his cottage to fetch his ଲାଠି ଧରିକିରି ଆଣିବାକୁ ଗଲା. When his wife took the field, ହେଲା, ଆଚ୍ଛା. Sahu rushed to his cottage to fetch his lathi when his wife took the field. So, took the field ମାନେ ଇଏ ଲାଗୁଛି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ. କିଏ? ଇଏ ଲାଠି ଆଣିବାକୁ ଯାଇଛି, ଇଏ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରୁଛି. କିଏ? ତା ସାହୁଆଣୀ. Before Sahu could return, ସାହୁଆଣୀ ହେଲା, secure in her womanhood, flew at Alagu. Alagu ପାଖକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା. Okay, who, however, hit back with such zeal that she found that safety lay in a hasty retreat to her house. Okay, secure in her womanhood, ତାମାନେ ତା woman ବୋଲି ସେ ତାକୁ ବାଡ଼େଇବନି ବୋଲି ଯେ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା. secure in womanhood. ସେ woman ତ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା. ଆଉ ସେ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟା କ'ଣ ଆଉ woman କୁ ବାଡ଼େଇବ କି ଦାଣ୍ଡ ମଝିରେ? ତେଣୁ ସେ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା. ସେ flew at Alagu ଆଡ଼େ ଗଲା. Who, however, hit back with such zeal that she found, ହେଲା, ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ Alagu କ'ଣ କଲା? hit back with such zeal, ସେ ବି ତାକୁ ଗାଳି ଦେଲା. that she found that safety lay, सेफ्टी लाइज ହେଲା ଯିବାଟା ପଳେଇ ଯିବାଟା ଘରକୁ ଭଲ ଇନ୍ ଏ ହାଷ୍ଟି ରିଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଫେରି ଯିବାଟା ଭଲ ଟୁ ହର ହାଉସ୍ ହେଲା ସେ ବି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗାଳି ଦେଲା ଯେ ସେ ଫେରି ଯିବାଟା ଭଲ ଭାବିଲା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ସି ରାନ୍ as fast as her legs could carry her and bolted the doors ଯାଇକିରି ଘର ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲା of her room from inside meanwhile a large crowd had gathered and tried to pacify the combatants ବୁଝିଲା ଯୋଉମାନେ ଲାଗୁଛନ୍ତି କଳି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାସିଫାଏ କରିବାକୁ ହେଲା ପାସିଫାଏ କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ କିଏ ଲୋକ ଯୋଉ ଗାଦର ହେଇଥିଲେ on its advice both Sahu and Olagu agreed to refer the matter to the panchayat for decision okay on its advice माने जो large crowd ହେଲା on its माने large crowd ହେଲା से large crowd ର advice रे both Sahu and Olagu agreed to refer so ଏଇଟା ସେ ନବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ refer the matter to the panchayat for decision for a second time preparations for holding the panchayat were set afoot for a second time preparations for holding the panchayat was set afoot ହେଲା तो कार्य स्टार्ट है for setting the panchayat for holding the panchayat हवा में काम चलला both parties started vigorous canvassing in their support vigorous canvassing माने support हैला strong canvassing माने प्रचार कले प्रचार हैला ये ता विषय रे जाई कहला से ता विषय रे कहला बुझि परछन नहीं at length शेषरे on the third day after the quarrel the panchayat met panchayat बसिला panchayat met the setting was the same as for the first panchayat the panchas sat under the same old tree the evening was no different and the birds again assembled on the branches to debate issues affecting their welfare ହେଲା so birds माने भी welfare तांकर discuss करछन crows were discussing their right to the green peas in the field and the parrots whether men were justified in charging them with inconstancy when they themselves were faithless to their friends okay so and the parrots whether men were justified parrots माने कौन करूछंती ना ସେମାନେ କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି whether men were justified in charging them with inconstancy ହେଲା when they themselves were faithless to their friends okay so parrots whether the men were justified in charging them with inconstancy when they themselves were faithless to their friends so ସେମାନେ କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି parrots ମାନେ that people are not faithless to their friends ବୁଝିପାରିଲ so how they will also not keep the parrots okay also properly when full panchayat had assembled Ramadan Mishra proposed that nominations should be invited for the head punch turning to Olagu he inquired if he had any particular man in view ହେଲା turning to Olagu को से कहले कि रामधान मिश्र पचारे if he had any particular man in view तुमर के लोक अछि हेड पंच पाई अलागू रिप्लाइड मीकली माने लाइटली स्लोली नो लेट साहू सपोज जरा साहू कहो thereupon साहू glad to have his own man shouted ହେଲା I nominate शेख जुमान से कहला मु शेख जुमान को नॉमिनेट करूँ से खुशी ହେଇଗଲା at the suggestion of Juman's name Olagus had began to sing ହେଲା जुमान आइलानी मत दब ये कर his face turned pale and it looked as if he had received a sudden blow but what could he do he had himself asked Sahu to make his own nomination Ramdhan Mishra his friend sensed what was passing in Olagu's mind and in order to help him out, he slyly prompted, have you, Olagu, any objection to Sahu's nomination? Se kala tomar kichi objection achi, but Olagu did not take the hint. Olagu kichi kahila nahi, kala mor kichi objection. In a low and a despondent voice, okay, he replied, none whatever. Ji hele bhi chadibo. So Juman became the head punch. We become conscious of our weaknesses the moment we are placed in some responsible position. We then try to, we become conscious of our weakness. The moment we are placed in some responsible position. Responsible position गले आमे ଆମର weakness ଉପରେ ଆମେ ଟିକେ conscious we then try to prove equal to the task if we are ever tempted to go astray जदि आमे किछि खराब काम करिबा जदि opposite दिगरे जिबा it is this thought which prevents us from doing so आमे जो conscious हो जाऊ हैला we should do good for others so it prevents to go astray to go in okay to go in the bad way okay tenu does the editor ever care to weigh his words when he launches his fiery denunciations day in and day out against the government so it कहला तामाने से लोकटा go astray हबनी okay he will not go towards the wrong way understood so does the editor ever care to weigh their words weigh his words when he launches his fiery denunciations fiery माने राग anger denunciation माने throwing means to give up fiery denunciation day in and day out against the government but let him have a seat in the cabinet okay how now none is so thoughtful so wise so far-sighted as he or take the case of a young man how reckless and irresponsible he is what sleepless nights does he not give his parents by his conduct okay ता जोगु रातिरे सोई पारंतिन ता पेरेंट्स से बुली बुली आसी कि गोटे young man but let him marry and have children the same wild youth the ବାହା ହେଲା ପରେ is now transferred into a sober, ବାହା ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ sober ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ଭଲ ଲୋକ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, and a grave householder ହେଲା। ବାହା ହେଇ ନଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା ବୁଲୁଥିଲା, was giving, he was a headache to his parents ହେଲା। So it happened with Sheikh Juman. The moment he became head punch, he suddenly became conscious of the gravity of his office ହେଲା। ତା ଅଫିସର ଯୋଉଠି ବସିଲା ତାର କେତେ ମୂଲ୍ୟ। Seated in that high place, he knew he had to hold the balance, even to shift right from wrong, to utter nothing which might even remotely be construed as unfair. Okay, to shift right from wrong, ହେଲା। He had to hold the balance, even to utter nothing which might even remotely be construed as unfair. So ସେ କହିଲା ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ ତୁ utter nothing, କିଛି କହିବନି ହେଲା। ଯୋଉଟା କି ବହୁତ ବାଟ ରିମୋଟଲି ଅନଫେୟାର ହବ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଅସୁନ୍ଦର ହବ, ସେଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ ସେ କହିବନି। ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ? You must not allow his personal feelings to swerve him, one hair's breadth from the path of truth. Okay, so feeling to divert him ହେଲା, so swerve him, so तार जो पर्सनल फीलिंग्स अच्छी on Olagu, to divert him one hair's breadth, okay, गोटे चुट्टी टाकर भी ये गोटे हेयर भी ब्रेथ से डाइवर्ट हबनी फ्रॉम द पाथ ऑफ ट्रूथ। Olagu and Sahu now stated their respective cases. Olagu कहला, Sahu कहला। After hearing the parties, the punches came to the unanimous decision that Sahu should compensate Olagu. Sahu should give money to Olagu. ହେଲା, Sahu should compensate ହେଲା, କ୍ଷତିପୂରଣ ଦବ Olagu. The only issue on which they differed was whether Olagu was entitled to the full price of the bullock, or whether, taking into consideration the loss suffered by Sahu, there should be any reduction in the price. ତେଣୁ ପୁରା ପଇସା ଦବ ନା ଅଳ୍ପ ପଇସା ଦବ, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ନା? କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଦବ ହେଲା, taking into consideration the loss suffered by Sahu, Sahuର ଯୋଉ ଲସ୍ ହେଇଛି, there should be any reduction in the price. Two were for the former and two for the latter view. ତେଣୁ ଏଇ କେସରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା, two were the former, ଦି ଜଣ କହିଲେ ଯେ ପୁରା ପଇସା ଦବ ହେଲା, ଫର୍ମର ମାନେ ପୂର୍ବଟା, two for the latter view, ଆଉ ଦି ଜଣ କହିଲେ ନାଇଁ ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିକି ଦବ ହେଲା। The point was also pressed that Sahu had been, 5 ଜଣ ନା, ଦି ଜଣ 4 ଜଣ ଗଲେ, ହେଡ ପଞ୍ଚ ହେଲା କିଏ ନା ଜୁମାନ ହେଲା। The point was also pressed that Sahu had been guilty of treating the bullock cruelly ହେଲା, ଏ ପଏଣ୍ଟଟା ପଡ଼ିଛି। The point was also pressed and so causing its death तार जो से बुलक मरला. He should therefore not merely pay its price to Alagu, but in addition should be fined. फाइन भी देवाक पड़ो एटा भी गोटे पॉइंट सो दैट इन फ्यूचर नो वन वुड डेयर टू इल ट्रीट द कैटल तेणु आगु कहीं कैटल को इल ट्रीट कर परिबेनी. आफ्टर द इश्यूज हैड बीन डिस्कस्ड लॉन्ग एंड केयरफुली जुमान डेलिवर्ड जुमान कहला द जजमेंट से वर्डिक्ट सुनाइला. एड्रेसिंग द पार्टीज ही सेड कहला पार्टी मान को कौन कहला ना अलागु चौधरी एंड समझू साहू द पंचेस have heard you and consider the issues carefully. It is their decision that Alagu is entitled to full price of the bullock. Hala? Alagu pura paisa payo. For at the time when he sold it, hala? It suffered from no disease or disability. ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର କିଛି ରୋଗ ନଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ସେ ପୁରା ପଇସା ପାଇବ. If Samju had been paid the price, if Samju had then paid the price, this issue now before the panchayat would not have arisen at all. से जदि प्राइस टा दे दी थांदा ये इश्यू टा हेन थांदा. ये इश्यू would not have arisen at all. है तो पैसा देसी से मल्ला की है से मारू की जहा करू नहीं है. The death of the bullock was caused by overwork and want of proper care. से देनी proper care. Alagu is no wise to blame. Alagu is in no wise, so is in no wise to blame. Alagu blame karihaboni. Though satisfied that the decision was in favor of his friend, decision was in favor of his friend. The friend kiye? Alagu. Ramdhan Mishra still urged that an example should be made of Samju for killing the bullock and that he should be fined. Fine haba darkar. Juman countered by retorting. Juman कहला उत्तर देला by retorting that this was altogether a separate issue and was not before the panchayat. Okay, and was not before the panchayat. Eta to panchayat ku kuha haini. When Samju pleaded for some consideration in view of his plight, तार दुर्दशा रे से जते बेले प्लीड कला अनुरोध कला for some consideration मते किछि consideration करा जाऊ. Juman answered. Juman कहला it was entirely for Alagu to decide whether or not to reduce the price. हैला से जो हैला से कहला रिड्यूस करिवो कि न करिवो सेटा अलागु कहबो हैला. हैला जुमन कहला से ए जिनसटा फाइन दबाटा एटा गोटे सेपरेट इश्यू हैला. अलागु कुड नाउ नो लॉन्गर कंटेन हिज फीलिंग्स. ता फीलिंग्स ता से कहला. He stood up and shouted over and over again, "Victory to the panchayat!" से कहला victory to the panchayat. The crowd took up the cry. Crowd भी ता पछर कहले ସେମାନେ ପାଳି ଧରିଲେ. took up the cry. कौन पाली धरले? And soon the whole village echoed. ସମସ୍ତେ कहले कौन कहले? echoed with कौन कहले? victory to the panchayat. Everyone was now loud in praise of Juman. हैला ସମସ୍ତେ ଜୁମ୍ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଶଂସା କଲେ। Some said this is what justice means. Others କ'ଣ କହିଲେ this is surely not man's doing. ହେଲା, God lives in the heart of the punches. ହେଲା, man କିଛି କରିନି, God punches and directs their thoughts. God ଆସିକିରି actually କଲେ. How then could the punches ever be deceived? So, how then could the punches ever be deceived? Punches are God. ସେମାନେ ତ deceive ହେଇପାରିବେନି, ସେମାନେ ଠିକ କଥା କହିବେ। Soon afterwards, Juman came up to Alagu. ସେ ଅଲାଗ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲା। Soon afterwards, ସେଇଠି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ, and embracing him, ତାକୁ କୁଣ୍ଢେଇଲା। Since the last panchayata, I have been your sworn enemy. ହେଲା, I have been your sworn enemy. Sworn enemy ମାନେ sworn, swear past tense swear. I swear in the name of God. ହେଲା, sworn enemies. So means ବଡ଼. Today I realize that it is to be a punch. Realize what it is to be a punch. Punch ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲି। That he has no private feelings of his own. ହେଲା, that he knows neither friend nor foe. Punch. All that matters to him is to administer justice. ହେଲା, justice ହିଁ ସେ ଦବ। I am convinced now that the punch speaks the voice of God. Okay. This was too much for Alagu. He broke down. କାନ୍ଦି ପକେଇଲା। And wept on. କାନ୍ଦି ରହିଲା। Wept on. Continue କଲା କାନ୍ଦ। Juman shoulders. Broke down ମାନେ କାନ୍ଦି ପକେଇଲା ଫଟକିରି, and wept on ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ରଖିକିରି, on this shoulders. Juman shoulders. The tears which he shed, ଯୋଉଗୁଡ଼ା tears ତାର ବାହାରିଲା that day, ସେଗୁଡ଼ା washed away all the dirt and dust of a misunderstanding between the two friends. ଯାହା ଥିଲା, ଯେତେ dirt and dust of misunderstanding ଥିଲା between them is taken away. And thus the withered and faded creeper of their friendship, जो withered सुखी जाइची and faded हो जाइची, जो creeper, जो लताटा, ହେଲା, जो डालटा of their friendship once again became fresh and green. Now it has become live, lively. Okay, so this is all about God lives in a punch.